What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about, an amazing car. It's the Toyota Sienna 2009. I love this car so much because the car is more like a family car. It's spacious. If you need something to travel with your family with, you can opt for the Toyota Sienna because the car is long, it's spacious, it has many amenities and many features that you're going to like. And today we're going to be talking about the Toyota Sienna, the features that comes with it. Just a walk around with the car and just know all the features that the car has. One thing I love about the Toyota Sienna is the space that it has. I mean, this car is a 7-seater car and like it's a 7-passenger car. The driver, the passenger on this side, and 5 other people at the back. And that will tell you that the car has a lot of space when it comes to room. And the car is fast. The car is not really expensive like that. You can manage the car. The cost of maintaining the car is okay, and the fuel economy of the car is also okay. And don't worry, by the time we're done with the features that comes with the car, you're going to love it. So up front, talking about the engine of the car, we're looking at a 3.5 liter V6 engine that comes with the Toyota Sienna 2009, and the fuel economy that works with that engine is 7 mpg 17 mpg, sorry, 17 mpg for the city and 23 mpg for the highway, which when it comes to fuel economy rating is considerable. And we have the headlight. The headlight is big. I mean, it can give you a good ordinance when you on it in the night time or in the daytime or wherever time you want to on it. And that is that for the headlight. And moving to the back of the car, the backlight also is nice, it's just there. And then the trunk of the car is spacious, very spacious. As you can see, it's spacious. I mean, I love the trunk. You can fit in luggages inside the truck. And also, if you bend on the back seat, like the last rear seat there, you can have extra room for your luggages in case you're traveling, or in case you want to put lots and lots of stuff. That's why I like the car. I mean the space at the back. So moving to the inside, over here we have our controls for the windows. These are our controls for all the windows, and this is the lock for the car. This is the lever to open the car, and the locks for the doors and everything. And if you look on this side, you will see the control for the side mirrors, left and right, and then push pull button for the rear vents. And then if you look under this place, you are going to see, let me put the camera, you're going to see the back door off and the slide door off. I think these are what you use in controlling the doors of the car. Moving over to this place, we have our control gauges, our speedometer, our fuel gauge, tachometer, and whatever meter that's always at the front of the car. This is the steering wheel. As you can see, the steering wheel of the car is nice. The controls, we have little controls that are on the steering wheels, to make it easy for the driver to control the infotainment system. We have our levers here to control the wipers, the lights of the car, the headlights, the wipers, all those beam and stuff. Also on this other side, that's what we have there too. And that is that for the steering wheel. And moving to this side, we have our infotainment system of the car. I think this one is a navigation system of the car. This is like a radio, yeah, a navigation system for the car. We have our hazard button, and just buttons, AC, temperature control system, climate control system, cruise control system, and every system that you can find in a car. And this is the gear shifter. We're looking at a 5-speed automatic transmission that comes with the Toyota Sienna, which is good. And then we have a little compartment here that you can fit in stuffs. Also down here we have a little compartment you can fit in stuff too, which is good. Then we have our 12-volt stuff to charge your phone. We have our cup holders right here, so if you're having a cup or whatever you're having, you can just fix it in here. We have our cup holders here, and over here we have a little stuff to put in whatever you want to put in. We also have cup holders for the passenger side at the back. These are cup holders for the passenger side at the back of the car. And over here, we have a little compartment here to fit in stuff. And I think here too is also a compartment to fit and stuff. I just love this car because of the space that it has. I mean, if you look around it, you're going to see a lot of room, filled with room. And up here we have our controls. Okay, we have mirrors, we have our lights, controls for the back door is here, controls for the boot. This is the control for the boot, and this is the control for the side door, and I think this is the control for the panoramic roof that is up. As you can see, the panoramic roof is up right there. So if you want extra room and extra light in your car, you can open this windshield. Yeah. Oh, very hard. So if you look at the back of the car, you're going to see that there's space at the back of the car. This is the seat at the rear end, and as you can see, it's lovely, good looking. There's enough room and room. And don't worry about AC. That AC vents almost everywhere in the car. The car AC is so chilling. Trust me, it's so chilling. AC vent and everything is right there for you, so you don't have to bother. Don't worry, you're not going to die of heat because everything is going to be fine. Looking at the interior of this car, I know the interior of this car is not really that much of a feature, but I mean, this car is still worth your buy. I mean, I love this car so much because of the space. It covers lots and lots of things that you can consider in the market. The cost of maintaining the car is nice. The cost of ownership is also fair. I mean, the parts in the market are not really expensive. That's something that you can work with. They're cheap, they're affordable, and they're everywhere because this car is in wide use. Lots and lots of people use the Toyota Sienna, especially family people. They use the Toyota Sienna very much. I think that is all we have for today. And okay, if you're new to the channel, you might want to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I mean, we advertise cars on this channel and we'll talk about cars. We go through their features, the do's and don'ts of cars. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to like this video. Please like the video, comment on the comment section below if there's anything you want to add, if there's anything you want to contribute about the Toyota Sienna or about any other car. You can just say it on the comment section below and I'll hit you right up. And this car is also for sale. If you're interested in buying this car, you can call the number that is displayed on your screen right now, and you will be answered. And any other car at all, if there's any car you want to buy and you think maybe you're not chance to walk around the market and buy it for you, don't worry, I'm here for you. I'll help you get whatever car you want to buy. This car is for sale. If you're interested, hit the button, hit the dial the number that was shown on the screen, and we'll get to you ASAP. And we'll meet again in our next video, fellas. Ciao.